Hey guys, KM Beauty here with another look for y'all. It's a very like purple, kind of reminds me of a witch kind of look for y'all. So if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. Okay, and we're gonna go into my Norvina palette and we're gonna get into the color. Let's try I don't know. I think I'm gonna go into this color. I don't know what color it is. I'm gonna put that on our crease. And we're gonna work that up. Now I'm gonna go into this color. Oh. We're going to go into Dreamer. This one. And put Dreamer on the brow bone. We're just gonna get our blending brush and blend that all in. I'm gonna go back into this color. Oh. Now we're gonna grab our concealer. We're gonna put it on our eyelid. And then we're gonna go into Drama. I know it may look crazy, but we're gonna clean it up in just a minute. What I'm gonna do is first do my eyeliner and then I'm gonna fix it. Okay, so I finished doing my eyeliner and I cleaned it up. And I just took my brush that I use for my foundation, put some foundation in it and just clean it up like that. So, for my waterline, I'm gonna go into, we'll go with so then I'm gonna go back into the color that we use for our brow bone, Dreamer. Put that right here in the corner. So then we are going to put, I'm just trying to look for my mascara. Okay. For my bottom lash, I'm using the Revlon Dramatic Definition. So that's done. Now we're gonna go into a blush bar. Go into Ola, Hula, whatever. And then with this brush that comes with the palette, and it's okay, we're gonna blend it out in a minute. First line, we're gonna go into California and put that in the apples of our cheeks. Okay, and I'm just gonna go into this little brush and blend this line out. I'm gonna go into my brush and just blend out my line. So now that that's done, time for our favorite part, the glow gas. Instead of using my fan brush, I'm gonna use this brush today. And I'm gonna go into Milani Strobe Light. I don't know how I feel about using this brush. I'm just gonna put some setting spray on it. See if that'll make it define a lot better. Okay, I think that's a lot better. I'm gonna use for lipstick L'Oreal Color Rich in Matte Majestic. And we're just gonna line our lips. What I like to do is fill them in with the lip liner. And I use the Color L'Oreal Color Rich Matte. Curiosity Killed the Matte. That's the color. So then what I'm gonna do is curl my lashes, get them ready for my false lashes. I always like warm up the curler. I feel as if when you warm it up, the curl stays longer. Then I'm gonna use my Ardell Wispies. I'm gonna take the glue off that I had on last time because I do reuse my lashes. There's no point in throwing the perfectly good lashes away after one use. Although honestly I used to be like that when I first started doing makeup because I didn't know you were able to use them again. I'm gonna use my Salon Perfect eyelash glue. So I'm gonna go with my All Nighter Urban Decay setting spray. Okay. I just want to take the time to say thank you to all my subscribers so far that have subscribed to my channel. Thanks for supporting this, and I hope you like the future videos I post. Thanks.